another GT Canada exclusive. We're working on a 2009 Ford Flex. Love my Flex. Got the Weekender package. And then can you shine the light on here? So here we're trying to beat this bearing off of here. So a lot of guys online, they say that the only way to get this off is to pull off the lower control arm right there, and then what they'll do is stick a press or a bottle jack against this right here, and then you got to pop the axle out, and then when you do that you can just press into that bearing. So Jacob here, not everybody knows this, but he is a certified Ford technician, and he's going to show us the correct way to get these out easily and without having to remove extra parts.
Only requires one tool.
Sweet. So as you can see, I'm going to shine the light here. We're going to stand a safe distance away. There we go.
All right, we good?
Yeah. So what Jacob's doing here, you can see he's hitting each side of that thing. Not just one side. And we'll take a look. You can see it's starting to split right there. That's all it takes, just a little bit of a split, and then you should be able to pop the rest off. So we're gonna keep working at it. We've got a selection of chisels that are actually made for wood, but they'll work for this application, and some punches. And a couple minutes of banging and this thing should be off. Okay, so we've done a little bit more banging here. This is literally like 5 seconds later. So we're almost home free. Jacob's gonna just take it home now. And that's it, just like that. Nice and easy. No screwing around. We didn't even have to pull the bolts all the way out, so those are loose enough that we were able to just thread them back far enough. And we're gonna put the new hub on now. We'll clean this up a little bit first, but that is what having a certified Ford technician working on your Ford parts does for you. Hey, thanks for watching another GT Canada video. We got lots of great stuff in store, so be sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you can stay up to date on all the latest stuff as we upload it. Comment below and watch the next video.